Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth problems on your Redmi 13. The first thing you may want to make sure of is that your Bluetooth device is turned on. To do so, in the case of wireless earbuds, you can just on your device check if it's turned on by its power lights, if it has any, or in the case of, let's say, Bluetooth headphones, you want to make sure that they are taken out of their case. Of course, if they are, you can check if they are connected under Bluetooth. You can tap and hold on it to see your Bluetooth settings. You can see if they're connected right here. But if you are experiencing problems, you may want to check if your Bluetooth version is up to date. As you can see, it's showing update here, so you can tap on it and then update, which will start updating the Bluetooth on this device. Then tap restart to restart Bluetooth. Then go into Bluetooth settings again, either by tapping and holding on Bluetooth here or under settings and then Bluetooth. Of course, if that's not the case, you can tap on the Bluetooth device and simply try unpairing from it and then pairing with it again. If this doesn't work, you can try restarting the device. Just turn it off and then back on again. Or in the case of wireless earbuds, you can try putting them back into their case, closing the case, waiting for a bit, and then taking them back out to see if they turn on. If, however, the device doesn't turn on, you want to make sure that it's actually charged sufficiently to just make sure that they can turn on. Otherwise, another thing you may want to try is to turn airplane mode on and then back off again, although this wouldn't really affect Bluetooth. Outside of this, you can try looking into additional settings and see and hear if maybe the Bluetooth device isn't on some block list. Or you can try looking again into the device settings right here by tapping on the device to see if maybe if your problem is that you don't have any audio on them. See if the call audio or media audio are turned on. You can also try checking if the volume is set sufficiently high. Remember that volume of your phone and the volume to your headphones is separate. And if you have the keep volume consistent option turned off, then the volume setting will not be shared across all of the Bluetooth devices that you may have. Another thing you may want to try is resetting network settings. To do so, go into settings. In here, under more connectivity options, you can scroll down to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, reset settings, draw your pattern or input your password, and then reset, which will unpair you from all of your devices as well as all of your networks. Now you can try connecting with the device again and then pairing with it. And of course, before you do this, you may want to try simply restarting your phone. You can do so by pressing and holding the power button until the power menu shows up and then dragging this option down until it shows just reboot. Then release your finger, which will reboot your phone. You can also get there by pressing the volume button, the power button and the volume up button at the same time and doing the same thing. However, if all of this doesn't work, you may want to try using the Bluetooth device with another phone or using a different Bluetooth device with this phone. If different devices don't work on the phone, that may mean the Bluetooth connection on the hardware side of your phone may be broken, in which case you may have to take your phone to a service center. But if different devices do work on your phone and this Bluetooth device doesn't work on other devices, then that may mean that, for example, wireless earbuds you may have reached the end of their lifespan, in which case it may be time to get a replacement or to again take them to a service center. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.